Today's idiom is, I could read between the lines. This expression means you were able to understand the implied or hidden meaning in a message, rather than just what was explicitly said. Imagine seeing not just the words on a page, but also the unspoken context. Its origin traces back to the 17th century, rooted in the practice of leaving blank spaces between printed lines for readers to add notes. Over time, this evolved to metaphorically represent the act of discerning unspoken truths or intentions from subtle cues. Let's explore how we use this idiom in everyday conversation with a couple of examples. First, consider this scenario. When she said she was busy, I could read between the lines that she didn't want to go out with me. Here, the speaker understands that busy isn't the actual reason, but a polite way to decline. They picked up on the subtle nonverbal cues or the tone that suggested a deeper, unstated message. Our second example illustrates this in a professional context. The memo was polite, but after years of working here, I could read between the lines and new layoffs were coming. This shows how experience and context allow someone to grasp underlying intentions, even when the official communication is carefully worded. In both cases, reading between the lines signifies insightful interpretation beyond surface meaning.
Now, let's look at some similar expressions. Take a hint is quite close, implying you should understand an unspoken suggestion, often about someone's disinterest or desire for space. It's usually a more direct prompt for someone else to interpret. Get the message is another good alternative, meaning to understand the underlying point or implication of what someone is trying to communicate. While reading between the lines focuses on the act of interpreting subtle cues, get the message emphasizes the result of that understanding. You might say I got the message after successfully reading between the lines. To sum up, I could read between the lines means you successfully understood the unspoken truth or hidden intention behind someone's words or actions. It's about being perceptive and intuitive, discerning what isn't explicitly stated. This idiom, with its roots in early printing practices, is a fantastic way to describe how we often pick up on more than just surface communication in our daily interactions. So, next time you grasp an unstated meaning, you can proudly say you were able to read between the lines. I'll see you next time with another great expression.